going on, guys? So today, I mean, we already did it, but recording this after the fact. Unfortunately, the back roads were closed today. Unfortunate. So we couldn't really get too many back road footage, but I did go ahead and install AWR motor mounts all the way around. I went with the street mounts, and I went ahead and we did bushings, all the front bushings on the car. So that's all been upgraded all the way around. So yeah, we're gonna be we did some kind of rolling second gear pulls, rolling third and fourth, just to see how they perform, see how the car handles. We also changed a lot of stuff on the car. We put a new throttle body on, reran some wiring, kind of touched up a lot of stuff. So yeah, I think we did 5, 6, 7 pulls, something like that, up until like 8,000 RPM. A little bit of them, some of them got cut at 5 just because, there's other people on the road, you can't be stupid. But we're just kind of shaking down the car. So yeah, it performed pretty well, I won't lie. It felt strong, especially it's 100, almost 100 degrees out right now. So the car performed super well, I can't lie. It was performing amazing. So that's all I could ask for. But other than that, yeah, we went ahead and used the 360 X4 as my head cam. So yeah, looked a little something like this, kind of crazy, and it kept falling. So it's like when I would use it, it would like kind of fall down. It's a little top heavy. I like the way it looks better than using the Action 3, which I normally use, and which I'm using right now. So I do like that switch. I don't know, maybe I need a fucking tighter hat, but it was on the tightest setting. It was like squeezing the blood flow out of my brain. But fuck that. I'll figure something else out with that. But car performed amazing. I don't think there's any leaks. I should probably check now. Doesn't look like there's any leaks under there, which that's all I could ask for. All I could ask for, especially on 100-degree heat. But yeah, I don't really want to like drive around with this ghost mount on. I mean, it's kind of just like asking for trouble. It's like, hey, I need to get pulled over today type thing, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a pretty chill driving sesh. I'll mash up the clip so it's less downtime